This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credit goes to him. So guys, today we have Call of Duty Black Ops 2 care package. So let's open and see what's inside. Oh boy, there is so many things here. Comment, what do you think about this care package? First thing we have, the Call of Duty Black Ops 2 steel case. No game copy inside. Drop one like if you are Call of Duty fan. Call of Duty Black Ops 2 medals. What is your favorite Black Ops game? Let me know in the comments. A Call of Duty game copy. What do we have in this box? Made in China? That's a bad news. Wow, it's a controller with Call of Duty Black Ops 2 branding. Quality looks good. Drone stand. And finally the drone. This is the replica of MQ-27 drone from Call of Duty game. Some instructions. Call of Duty Black Ops 2, MQ-27 drone manual. Drone looks pretty dope, just like it's come out of game itself. Just a looking at this give me COD game vibes. Batteries they give me in the box are useless. So, instead I am using this new batteries. Now let's test this drone. One rotor had some issues. Well done, China. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.